This is our platform called Neural Minds. It's an AI-powered learning platform where the content gets generated by one of our bots, which we have curated in-house and is hosted on Azure. So the idea is that we want to provide a holistic upskilling, and then it can be any topic of your choice. The prompt can be as small as a one-liner or as detailed as a 800 odd pages, right? So I will walk you through one of the sample courses that we have curated, how a course gets generated. The KPI tracker is another feature that we have, and then a scenario-based learning is what we'll cover as well. So let me open up a course which we created for one of the customers of ours. It is for upskilling their sales team, wherein the idea was how can we consume their PDF, their artifacts on the sales cycle, and then we can curate a course according to the information that is provided in the brochure and the artifacts that were shared for the sales team. So as you can see, there's a reading material, so you can read about the course, and depending on your requirements, the course can be crafted to as low as 15 minutes and then as elaborative as 200 plus hours of content delivery. And then we are not restricted on technical or functional courses. As you can see in front of you that a course has various modules and sub-modules. So I can simply jump to any module, sub-module, critical illness. So I can read about this particular topic, and if I, after reading, I want some specific feedback on my learning, so we have our bot, a conversation bot that we can have a discussion with and then see what my understanding is for that particular topic. So let me quickly show you how that works.
Hi Varun, it's Erica from ACO. How are you doing today?
I am good.
Great to hear. Let's dive into the ACO Life Flexi Term Plan. Could you tell me about the riders available under this plan?
I'm not sure. Can you suggest what riders are we talking about?
No worries, let's go over it. The ACO Life Flexi Term Plan typically includes riders such as critical illness, accidental death benefit, and waiver of premium. How do you think these riders can benefit a customer looking for flexible coverage options?
I'm not sure. Can you help me with that?
Of course, let's break it down. The critical illness rider provides a lump sum payment if the policyholder is diagnosed with a specific critical illness. This can help cover treatment
So I'll
costs
stop it for now. And as you can see, the conversation happened, and I got like insights on what exactly is covered. And then this is based on the topic and the subtopic that we have. So the discussions will be aligned to that. And then all the topics and subtopics will have different scenarios, different conversation for people who are enrolled in that particular course. So no two same people will ever get same scenarios to work around. But the idea is that the coverage or the conversations will happen on the topic itself. It is customized for you, it is customized for me, and then whoever is enrolled in the course gets to see a flavor of their own learning and understanding. If let's say reading is not my strong area, I can go to the videos.
And diverse needs, making it a valuable with term insurance. You select a specific period.
So topics are basically explained in detail in the videos, and then once my module is done, I can take quick quizzes, which is like unit tests for that module. If my answers are correct up to 70%, then I get a green signal on the modules. Otherwise, it turns red, and then that's an indicator that I might want to visit it again. For this particular course, we don't have multilingual option because the client wanted one language only, but we have over 350 languages that we can choose from. All the videos that we see are detailed, so you can go to summary level 2, summary level 3, which are more example oriented, which are more object driven kind of learning, wherein we compare different scenarios and examples are with real time objects that are there. Then all the courses again have these mock tests where these are like adaptive questions that are given to the user, and the mock is not graded. That's the difference between mock and assessments. Whereas if we take an assessment, I will start getting graded on my learning on that particular topic, and then I get to see reports, my weighted averages, my learning, and then all, as I mentioned, all the tests are adaptive. That means that if my answer is correct, then I get a harder question next time, and if my answer is not correct, then I get an easier question for the next one, right? So I can see my detailed reports here, and then synopsis basically gives me an idea of what my strong areas are and what I need to focus on. So that's a course. Then let me go to a creator module. Creator is, again, as I said, you can be as candid as a one liner that how to manage projects in IT or in IT services company for healthcare. So it can be as small as a single liner prompt, or it can be as detailed as the entire PDF that can be fed here. Then I can select the level of individuals that I'm targeting. Let's do seniors here, and the duration, I think 4 hours is good for me to start with. As I mentioned, again, languages: English, Arabic, Gulf, French, Japanese. Let's select all for this particular demo. And then this is a functional course, and the moment I select generate, I will get first level of content management, or a index of the particular course that we are talking about. This is the, again, generated from the LLM that we have hosted. It's in our control, and then you see if I don't like it, I can change whatever in the next step. So this is for my sanity check that I want these modules included. I can remove, let's say, planning and initiation of healthcare projects. Then I can remove a sub module. The moment I go next, at this point, more elaborated content is actually getting generated, and then once we approve and generate course, a course will look like this in the first level. It will start extracting the content, and in a matter of couple of hours, I will have all the content available for me. Once I approve the content, this is the content that gets extracted. So I can go over, change, delete whatever I need. I can regenerate. Once I approve this, inclusions on the module, and I know these are elaborated, but again, you don't need, these are all the 3 level of summaries that are available for the learner. I can approve this. Once the approval happens, then in a matter of 4 hours, the course videos, content, material, videos, everything gets generated. And then this is what a final finished course would look like. Oops. Yep. All right, so that's about course generation. Then the next is KPI Tracker, wherein we can once people are onboarded in the company, they can have their KPIs defined here, and then basis the KPI, they will get enrollment in the courses, and they will get to see recommended courses, and the HRs can track what exactly is a course that I need for my larger audience in the organization to be a part of, and they can generate that course or content for their team. There's a selective piece of learn or generate your own content, wherein seniors who have access in the system can generate modules specific to their learning for a particular course. For example, if I am I've done some Python architecture course, then I can generate, if I have access, I can generate let's say modules specific to healthcare, and other person in the organization with similar role can generate it for their own domain. Could be hospitality or healthcare or any other vertical that we are talking about. So they can generate specific modules as per their requirement. Then rest, we have cohort, which is again grouped learning that we have provided, wherein similar people with similar interests can be clubbed, and then their individual learning can be tracked. Managers have a view for their team, where managers can actually see who are the people enrolled, what is their progress. If I need to assign somebody a course, I can do it from here as a manager. And then admins are the ones who are managing the your teams. So yeah, that's about it for the platform and for the demo.